What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your tire light on your 2022 Honda Civic. This one in particular happens to be a sport trim, so the higher trims might be a little bit different, but we'll see as time goes. For now, we're going to be doing this one. So you're going to turn on your ignition or start the car. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. So as you can see, tire light sign is on. You're gonna use the scroller here to scroll it and push it into enter. So I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss this. All right, you can use the home over here to dismiss it. All right, so here we are at settings. If you weren't at settings beforehand, you just scroll through until you get to settings. Press settings. Like I said, use this one to hit enter. Vehicle settings. All right, there we go, went through. Now you got TPMS calibration. If you were at a different screen, perhaps you would just have to go through. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna scroll up or down. I'm gonna hit calibrate. Calibration started. And there you go. Then you're gonna back out of it. And then you just hit the home. You're back over here. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.